Moving on to the last part for today's session as how to set up margins in Google Doc. Now, in order to set up margins in the Google Doc, the first step is that we require to go in the file menu. In the file menu, we will be able to see an option called as page setup. And when I click on the page setup, one box will be opening on the screen. On that particular box, I will be able to see page orientation, page colors, page margins. We're required to set on the page margins and click OK. So step number one, the Google document is already opened over here. What is step number one? Click on the file menu. I will be clicking on the file menu. As soon as I click on the file menu, I will be able to see page setup. I'm clicking on page setup. As soon as I click on page setup, a window comes in front of you. I will be aligning this as portrait. I'm changing the margin. All the margins I'm keeping 1.0, 1.0, 1.0 and 1.0. We'll see what happens to the document. And I'm just clicking OK. When I click OK, you are able to see the margins over here. The margins have reduced a lot. One more time, focus on this particular margin. This margin is only 1 now. File, page setup. This is which margin? Students, this is left margin which I'm changing. I'm keeping it 5 and I'm pressing OK. See, are you able to see the left margin as 5 now? A huge amount of distance is there. One by one, we will be setting all the margins, page setup, moving to the top. Top also I'm giving as 5. See what will happen. The top page will scroll down to 5. File, page setup, bottom margin also giving as 5. See what will happen. 5 is left over here. Then moving towards the right. File, page setup, right margin I'm giving little bit more so that you are able to understand the difference. I'm giving 8 over here. So right, the text will be shifted from A. So this is 5, 5, 8 and bottom we are having 5. So in this manner, you can change the page settings. By default, I will be keeping it as 2.54. So entire margins I will be again keeping at 2.54, 2.54. Again the left margin will be 2.54. The right margin again 2.54. Click OK. So this was your normal page. Thank you.